Hi, and welcome to my channel, Shades of Sage, where I discuss all things motherhood. I'm a doula and mom of 3, and I'm currently expecting, but today I am taking a break from my pregnancy-related content to show you an updated haircut routine for my boys. So on my channel, I do have my previous routines for them, each individually by themselves. So if you're interested in that video, you can just go and search it and check it out for Matthias and Kenzo. But today I'm showing both of them together because they have graduated from the scissors to clippers, which I'm super excited about because it takes less time to do to cut their hair. So I'm just showing you the process of me cutting their hair with clippers. This is about my maybe third time doing their hair with clippers, and they seem to like it better than the scissors, which is really great. I know they kind of had to get used to, you know, like the sensation of the clippers on their head, but they're both doing great with it now. And like I said, it's way quicker than doing it with the scissors. So normally I wash their hair the night before I plan on cutting it. This time I didn't though, and it didn't really make a difference in me being able to cut their hair. I just washed their hair afterwards, so that was fine. And I'm not a professional. I just really want to learn how to cut my boys' hair myself. I do have brothers that cut hair, but this is very cost effective because it's free. I don't do their hairlines. I feel like they're young and they have more time to do that. You know, if they're interested in, like, you know, getting shaped up and all that stuff when they're older. Right now, that's not really a concern of mine. I just, you know, try to make sure that they look neat and presentable. So I cut their hair, and I've been doing it every month, I think now, and that's been working out for us. So for reference, this is Matthias and he is 3, and I'm using the 1/8 guard for him. And then for Kenzo, who's 2 years old, I used the 1/4 guard for him. But because his hair is so low porosity, I wasn't getting off enough or as much as I wanted to get off, so I did go back in and use the 1/8 guard for him as well. And you'll see that later on in the video. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I hope that you enjoyed this video and my boy's updated haircut routine, and stay tuned until the end for the results. So here are the results. The boys really love their haircut, which of course makes me super happy. Like I said, I'm not a professional, and my youngest one was getting a little tired at the end, so I just did what I could with the patience that he had. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video soon. Bye.